Dear ninth class students, welcome to biology class, the lesson digestive system. It is, even though it is given digestive system, you are expected to learn the higher class version, digestion, and based on nutrition and dentition. Dentition means the arrangement of tooth because it helps in physical digestion. Then chemical digestion takes place in the digestive system. It is just focusing and highlighting for you. Okay. This also starts with question and answer based, so that without any doubt you will learn. So we are going to the previous page. You use always past command. This is a belief. It does the function where digested food materials are absorbed. So you are going to learn focus on this. You give title nutrition and dentition. Yes, digestion already is written. So it is breaking down of complex food into simple absorbable. It is mostly enzymatic reaction, but in the beginning the tooth or four type of teeth helps in physical digestion. Then you are going to study the concept map of digestive system, where it starts, and the stomach is the main organ where main curding of food substances take. Then mostly you will read a very detailed enzymatic reaction in the form of table. Before that you also learn this table based on the four structure: incisors, canine, and premolar and molar. This is already taught to you, but just for recalling, you have to write the formula. This is the first formula, that is important. You focus on that. Then you go how the food from the mouth moves through peristalsis. Okay, this is a esophagus structure. To food glides and goes to stomach. After digestion, this is the thing where they gave a small thing. Liver is there because the digestive system is also associated with the first salivary gland through the mouth, where starch is converted into maltose. Then through esophagus it moves like balls and reaches the stomach. But here they should have drawn the stomach with the background. Okay, but liver is there, spleen is there. The two more associated glands also secrete, but in your book there is a table. In the table main enzymatic reactions are given. So name wise you take. So the process is taking place and digestion is completed, then absorption. So how you will know this is done? So we will start with the first digestive gland, liver, then and the spleen. The spleen contains pancreatic juice, and that is why the detail is given. Protein is converted into peptides, then amino acid, then maltose also split up into maltose and glucose. Then fatty acid broken into fat is broken into fatty acids and glycerol. You can write fatty acid and glycerol. Then the main thing is focus on this. This is your question. Intestinal juices come from the duodenum. Duodenum structure is here. Okay. See where the pancreas and the gallbladder joins the first part of small intestine. Okay. This is an enzymatic reaction. It is given in the table, bit complex, but you write this 5. This is your question. You have to learn it in this lesson. For that only we gave the background. You don't worry, the video is rushing, but digestive system is very small, and the digestion process also you know. You will learn how the nutrients are classified into carbohydrate, fat, energy giving, protein, growth food, then the fat, high energy giving food, then finally vitamins and minerals. But this role of enzymes in physiochemical process of digestion is expected in 9th class, and that is why you have to study the much details. One is pancreas, okay, and here 5 points in a very simple. Wrote down this enzyme. Take down also screenshot and zoom it. You can use always pause command and learn. This video is for just take into your mood and focus on the chemical digestion done by the enzyme. Okay. So overall you will remember the digestive system has 3 associated glands, salivary glands, with the help of tooth, or you can write all the human teeth. The type is also heterodont. Heterodont means different shape and structure. Helps in physical digestion, and partly starch is converted into maltose by salivary gland that contains enzyme ptyalin or amylase. Then it moves through esophagus. Then it comes to main stomach. Then other things are taking place, particularly the second largest or the second gland is liver. That is the largest gland in the body, that secretes bile juice. There is no enzyme, but a small amount of HCl that helps the food in digestion. Then pancreatic reaction, I told you, you can take it very lightly, but concentrate on intestinal juices, where the best 5 enzymatic role of physiochemical digestion takes place in the stomach. This is just go through absorption of food and water that takes place in the large intestine. Then the question starts. Everything will be discussed during online presentation. Nothing to worry. Okay. This is the way you can expect question. This we will rush through later, not now. First to learn the lesson. So question and answers also there. Then you will learn it. Okay. Then some important differences between that also you will learn. We will discuss. Then come to the